I'm taking a movie now.
Why aren't we seeing the colours tonight?
They are there, it's flashing.
Can we try and get a normal star in? Just for us to see the difference.
Is that enough?
I wonder why it doesn't look like the 3 stories like it has the other nights.
It changes.
Another star.
No, it's too high. I did that last night. They were exactly the same.
They can't be that. I mean,
When I zoom in on them, they got the same colour.
well, I can see a little bit more colour in this one now. Can you just leave it on?
Well, yeah, it's been going for a minute and a half now. But it's just around. It's round and it's pulsating. It's got.
Go up to the one up above it.
Oh, that's pretty hard. Okay, I'll try. It's gone again. It's gone again now. On the camera it has. It's back again now. It pulsates. Have a look on your camera tomorrow, on the computer. Right, you want me to go and try to find another star. Okay, so I'll leave it, alright. I'll move away. Well, you want me to move away from that one and go and find another star? No, can't find anything on the camera at all. They're not bright enough or something. I know they're there, I can see them with my eyes. The camera won't pick up any of the others. It shows you how bright it is. I can't get anything else.